Welcome to your new favorite documentary show about nature. Just kidding. There's a turtle right over here. Box turtle. Look at the tiny little tail. Such a tiny tail. Over here, we've got some goldenrod. Plenty of it growing right here in this patch of sunshine. And over here is the jungle, kind of, with pawpaw trees. And then you have all this Midwestern forest kind of stuff with buckbrush. This stuff, low brushy buckbrush, and some softwoods and hardwoods. We're out here riding today. Well, just me and you out here riding. Saw the turtle, stopped. Pretty cool to see the turtle out here. You know what? Turned off my motorbike. Anyhow, pretty cool to see the turtle out here. Nice and warm today. Leaves are falling down. Trees are turning yellow and some of them starting to turn orange. Squirrels are busy gathering nuts for the winter. Some dragonflies out there. Last night was cool, but not too cold. Also a bit humid. It did rain like 2 days ago, but not really much rain at all. Leaves on those trees are already turning yellow. Most of them are still pretty green though, like these. Oh, and on these pawpaw trees, see if I can see one, there are some fruit. As you can see, kind of has the taste of like a avocado banana kind of thing. Like it's also a bit more bitter, like has the buttery flavor of an avocado, but then some little bit of a banana taste, but then also a little bit bitter. But also, I mean, it's a little sweet, but also bitter. Real interesting flavor. Kind of hard to compare it to something when you've never had something like that before. Hard to explain. But closest I get is like avocado banana flavor, but with some bitterness in it. Spider web. Seeing that I'll get so tall back here. Especially that clump right there, that corner. Much taller than this stuff right here. Last time hit my knee. Got spiked needles. Not cool enough for long pants yet, but maybe soon. Mushrooms. They're already starting to rot. Bunch of gnats over them. Spiderweb stuck on the motorbike again. Gotta go check on the turtle again. See where it's gone to. And the turtle moved 1 foot away. I will let it keep going about its day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cool stuff out here in the woods. Man, these spider webs everywhere, over everything. Stuck on me, stuck on this. See you in the next video.